About 40 minutes to get here. We're at the Stockwood Open Space Nature Reserve. So we're just going to give this a go. It looks amazing, loads of wildlife, and we're going to get started. So we've gone off to the right of the main path. So you get to this point where there's a bench, and then we veered off to the right. And one of the locals told me that this is you've got like a bit of a brook up here. It's rather muddy. So guys, we are on the right path. Just got through that muddy sort of patch. Just continuing. Glad I wore my boots today. It's still pretty. Even though it snowed yesterday instead of rain, it's still pretty wet underfoot. I walked through the field and I still can't find this pond, so what I'm going to do instead is get the drone out, and while no one's around, just have a little bit of a fly. Flying the drone actually discovered what they're calling a pond, but I think it's just water retention. Looks like that's old Red Cliffians, I think, according to Google, rugby club. But in order to get back on the cycle path, you need to hang a left. So guys, we made it back onto the cycle path. So we're just walking around the end of the circuit. Now, if I can figure out where this pond is by talking to some locals, I'll go there, but I can't seem to see it on a map. So I found a pond, but I'm not sure it's the one they were talking about. It looks pretty cool. I can't quite see anything stirring in the water, so I don't think it's the one that they were saying about. But then I could be on the wrong side of the pond, so there's a little ripple over there. Yeah, it's not the easiest thing to get to, this pond. But so what I actually figured out is that I'm actually heading down the path that I came up, so I actually don't need to go back on myself, which is great. And obviously that means that I'm not going to close the loop, but you could do. It's up to you. So guys, that brings us to the end of Stockwood Open Space Nature Reserve. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.